If you've been looking for a banana bread recipe that is affordable and very delicious to prepare, easy, and everything in between, just name it, then this recipe is for you. Hello DIYers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making banana bread or banana cake, whichever one you prefer. So basically what I'm doing is sieving my dry ingredients, putting them all in one place, then I'll do the same to the wet ingredients. So I'm sieving flour, and then I'm going to go in with some baking powder, I'm going to go in with some baking soda, I'm going to add some cinnamon, I'm going to add some salt. Like I said, we're just mixing all of the dry ingredients together so that we can mix it, and then towards the end we're going to mix both the dry and the wet ingredients together so that our cake batter would be ready. So this is me just mixing so that I can combine all of the ingredients together. Then in another bowl, I'm going to go in with some vegetable oil. I'm going to add my blended banana. I added vanilla flavor to the banana, and I went in with some sugar so that it would dissolve. I went with some eggs, then my milk. I'm going to then mix all of this goodness together like you can see in the video. Mix so that everything is combined and your sugar dissolves. Then you're going to start to alternate the wet and the dry ingredients. By alternating, I just mean that you're mixing both the wet and the dry ingredients so that you can have proper batter that is well mixed. Then I'm going to show you how you can grease your pan. Like in this channel we ensure that whatever recipe we teach are recipes that you can create in using very basic kitchen utensils and in the simplest way possible. So stay with me and don't panic, you can do this. So you're going to line your baking pan with some butter. Now this is for someone who doesn't have parchment paper. If you have parchment paper, then you don't need to do this process. You can just go ahead and then line your baking pan with your parchment paper. But like I said, we're going DIY. So you're going to line or oil your pan with some margarine. Then you're going to sprinkle some flour and just dust it all around the pan like you can see me doing in the video. Just make sure that you do that properly so that when you pour in your batter and the cake is baking, it wouldn't stick to the pan after it is ready. So I'm doing all of that, and then I'm going to dust off whatever excess. Then I'm going to pour all of the batter into the pan. You can see how beautiful it is. Just carefully put all of that into the pan like you see me do in the video. So after pouring all of the batter into the pan, you're going to heat that so that it can remove any excess bubbles from your cake. Then you're going to sprinkle some coconut shavings on the banana cake. But like I said, if you don't have the coconut shavings, it is fine. You don't have to put it, but if you do, or you can get coconut, then it's fine. You can also do that. Then I'm going to preheat my oven and I'm going to bake this banana cake or bread on low heat. So you're going to allow that to bake, and once it's ready, you're going to insert a knife or a fork in the center, and if it comes out cleanly, then you know that it's ready. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you still haven't, so that you can be notified of new recipes whenever we upload. Thanks for watching. Bye.